Good morning. So I'm back at Shawend Mansion, and unfortunately still can't see the view. Missed down, but anyway, this is what I've got to do today. I'm going to do this end, this half, and then tackle this stonework. And just show you. So overall, it's cleaned up quite well. There's still a few dead spores, and as I said, I left a biocide on it. This is clearing all the time now. This is actually looking a lot better. So when I left yesterday, there were some dead spores on here, and they've gone. A few up there, but again, they should clear. But overall, this side is looking quite good, and as I say, that should keep getting better. So yeah, if you look at this stonework here, I treated this pillar here, and then this section here, and obviously this has gone red now, and not sure what that is, so I ordered some chemical to treat that, and that should clear. And so this is what it was like before, and then when I put my chemical on, it went like that. So let's see. So again, there's quite a lot of spores here. The paint's bubbling a bit there, so just have to be careful with heat. And then these windowsills, very black, lichens. And then this side, there's a leaking gutter up there, so that's what this is, but it should clear. Again, there's been quite a lot of spores on this. But what I'll do, I'll start at this end and work my way down to the front. So we'll just have a closer look at this render when I've just wet it, so we'll have a look now. You can see there's there's obviously quite a lot of algae on here. A little bit of bubbling paint. And I say this here, this is from this dripping drain pipe. And then the window bottoms, lots of lichens. The paint here. Yeah. So overall, the paint's in not bad order. There's the odd little bit of flaking and a few slight bubbles. So what I do with this is the heat to rinse. Just got to be careful. Put too much heat on, then you remove the paint. So I might even try just with cold water first of all and see how that looks. And so this will need 2 treatments, but overall it's not a bad job. So let's say I'll put 2 treatments on and leave a biocide on. Okay, so I'll get this one then. I'm back at Shawend at pattern this is about after 4 or 5 days we've been on other jobs, so I'll show you what it's looking like now it's dried out. And this is the front. You can see it's really looking good. The window sills, and the bit I'm doing today is this stonework here. So you can see I cleaned this pillar here, and when I put my chemical on it went orange here, and I think that's actually rust coming through, more so than algae. And what I did at the bottom, I treated this bit with a rust remover, and that seems to have cleared all the orange. But I've got this to do today. I'll just walk you around side. So that's where another company did a test patch, but that's we've now made it all uniformed. So it looks very good. But look at these views. And as I said, this is 200 acres around here. That's really, really nice. But, yeah, it's looking good.
So I thought I'd come back to Shawend Mansion just to show you what the stonework's looking like now that it's dried out, and as you can see it's a lot better. See, the thing is with stonework, you don't want it to look like concrete, so you can see this is quite a lot of texture and contrast on the stonework. That's this finished, so thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.